All right, wheel number 2 on the S580. This one's got some curb rash right here and down here. So same deal on this one. I'll hit it with 320 and then clean it up. All right, so we got the sanding done. Now we're gonna scuff everywhere we just sanded. Clean that off, then we'll go over it with the old scuff pad and the surface prep spray again. If you guys wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, that would help a lot while I'm getting this cleaned up. Maybe check out the links in the description for the tools and products I use also. All right, now we just need to get some clear coat on this, and we'll move on to the next wheel.